Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Wix domain to Hostinger. You will begin by logging into your Hostinger account to locate the correct name server information. Next, access your Wix domain management panel to modify your domain's DNS settings. This crucial step directs your domain to your new hosting service. The entire process is quite simple, usually taking only a few minutes to complete the initial setup. To start, log into your Hostinger H panel. Once inside, look for the Hosting section on the left sidebar and select your active hosting plan. Within your hosting details, you will find the specific name server information. Hostinger typically provides two distinct name server addresses, such as NS1, DNS parking, com, and NS2, DNS parking, com. Make sure to accurately copy both of these addresses for the next step. Now, log into your Wix account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Domains section, usually found under Settings or My Sites. Select the specific domain name you intend to connect to Hostinger. You will then see an option to change name servers. Replace the existing Wix name servers with the two Hostinger name server addresses you copied earlier. Remember to save your changes to apply the update. After updating your name servers in Wix, it is important to understand that DNS changes require time to propagate globally. This process can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. You can use an online DNS checker tool to monitor the propagation status. Once propagation is complete, clear your browser cache and visit your domain to confirm it is now loading content from your Hostinger account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.